Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join us on the island of Koh Chang here in Thailand, and we're going for something to eat at Buffalo Bill's Steakhouse. And apparently they have the best alcohol drink in the world. So our food's ordered and we've decided to have a little look around at some of the decor. So I guess that's the bullseye. Hey! And we're still going up higher. The wine room. Lots of bottles of wine in there. And the bar area. This was little cowboy theme.
Right.
And here we have the liquor locker with all the spirits. Look at the size of them bottles of whiskey. And that's our table. How was your Tommy Tartar soup, Tristan? Is it Tommy Tartary? Now, something you've got to realise when you order food in a restaurant in Thailand, doesn't matter if you've ordered starters, main courses, it all comes when it's ready. Doesn't matter when it's ready, is when it comes. So I ordered an appetizer. Remember that word, appetizer, of chips and bolognese. And here are the mains. Steak, but look the way it's presented. Jacket potato, a little bit of a floral arrangement.
I know, I feel like I'm like, don't want to spoil the display.
You can eat those flowers.
I will be eating those flowers.
I'll let you eat the flowers. Well, that was lovely. What I will say though, we asked for all three steaks medium well, and they came medium, which is fine for me. I ate mine, but Ellie and Emma had to send theirs back to get cooked a bit more. So bear that in mind. Order like one above what you normally have. So we'll finish our meal and we'll come across the road to Sabay Bar, and there's a fire show on.
Now every day since I woke up, I can find they come and they go just as fast. They are slowly fading through the smoke, and I can hear myself think, I'm then it's quiet. 'Cause they are lying. Oh, so quiet. They are lying.
Boss, there's a tree where I want to build a new bar. No problem. Just build around it. And put it through the roof. Up.
Or do you need more? It does something now you're searching
So there you go, folks. That was our night at Buffalo Bill's, and then across the road to Sabay Bar here at Koh Chang. Well, actually, we're at White Sands Resort, Koh Chang Island, Thailand. So yeah, see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.